You can already tell we're gonna have some ice issues. I don't even know if we're gonna catch anything. I'm wondering if you go way up upstairs and just drop it down in the shaft. Okay. Well, I'm in. We're post-blizzard walleye fishing in Minnesota there, and we got this walleye oopta. It's nice and snowy here. I think we had a buzzard bite. Do we have a snake or do we have a bite? We got one on the ice rod. It's a dink, we won't keep this gun. But we got ourselves the walleye in the blizzard. It's kind of cold. We're going to use some of our Wish app ice lures. Maybe that'll be the ticket. hook. Oh, this fish feels decent too. It's a pike. Are we even recording? Yes, it does. So this day of the catching actually ended up being cut out of the video because my camera ran out of batteries, and none of my batteries I had with were charging. Maybe they just got cold and weren't working. It was like 17 out or 15 out with like 15 to 20 mile an hour wind. I probably shouldn't have even drove here, but I found out I needed to leave about 20 minutes earlier to go to work from doing this. And then I caught probably about 6 more walleyes and a carp after I caught the pike that the start was on the video. And here's a couple clips I took with my phone. So where can we put this to record? It will sit up.
Really biting. We got it. We got this monster fish. Look at this river monster. You know, it's hooked, not even hooked into mouth. Nice fish. We need a carp selfie, I think. We're out here in Minnesota. We got ourselves a daily double of walleyes. You can use 2 lines on the border water. We got this nice one which I'm going to keep, and then we got this smaller one on a shimmer shad from the mystery tackle box from October.